Welcome to the magical world of reading. Learning to read basic sentences is an exciting adventure that will help you discover new stories, ideas, and knowledge. As you start to read, you'll learn how to put words together to form sentences that are fun and easy to understand. Let's embark on this reading journey together and have lots of fun as we become great readers.
Let's read. Wash my face. Let's read it again. I wash my face. Let's read. I fix my bed. Let's read it again. I fix my bed. Let's read. She is smart. Let's read it again. She is smart. Let's read. My mom is very kind. Let's read it again. My mom is very kind. Let's read. I write in my book. Let's read it again. I write in my book. Let's read. He is very rich. Let's read it again. He is very rich. Let's read. The man is strong. Let's read it again. The man is strong. Let's read. Be happy as always. Let's read it again. Be happy as always. Let's read. I love to eat donut. Let's read it again. I love to eat donut. Let's read. I swim in the pool. Let's read it again. I swim in the pool. Let's read. I listen to a story. Let's read it again. I listen to a story. Let's read. Buy. A. Bag. Let's read it again. I buy a bag. Let's read. The door is close. Let's read it again. The door is close. Let's read. I feel sad today. Let's read it again. I feel sad today. Let's read. Math is very difficult. Let's read it again. Math is very difficult. Let's read. My skin is smooth. Let's read it again. My skin is smooth. Let's read. I see a chicken. Let's read it again. I see a chicken. Let's read. I enjoy playing volleyball. Let's read it again. I enjoy playing volleyball. Let's read. I eat orange every day. Let's read it again. I eat orange every day. Let's read. Mom gave me a cake. Let's read it again. Mom gave me a cake. Let's read. He is very naughty. Let's read it again. He is very naughty. Let's read. My pillow is green. Let's read it again. My pillow is green.
For watching, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.